Airports, the magical lands where dreams of adventure take off or crash and burn if you're not careful. Today, we're breaking down 15 things you should never, ever do at an airport. Because trust me, making these mistakes could turn your dream trip into a total nightmare. Let's get into it. 1. Arrive late and expect a miracle. Do you love heart-pounding action, adrenaline rushes, pure, unfiltered panic? Then by all means, show up at the airport 30 minutes before your flight. Otherwise, be normal and get there at least 2 hours early. Pro tip: an unexpected delays can cause you to miss your flight. Aim to arrive at least 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight. 2. Pack your entire house. Listen, I get it. You need 7 pairs of shoes for a 3-day trip. But if your suitcase weighs more than a small child, the airline will make you pay for it, in cash and shame. 3. Bring forbidden items and act surprised. Oh wow, you didn't know you couldn't bring a gallon of shampoo, or a samurai sword, or your pet lobster? Newsflash, TSA doesn't find it cute. Pro tip: bringing items like liquids over 3.4 ounces, sharp objects, or firearms without proper procedures can lead to delays or even fines. Always check the TSA's list of prohibited items before packing. 4th joke about bombs or weapons: just don't. Seriously, even if it's just a joke. The only thing blowing up will be your travel plans, and maybe your police record. 5. Be rude to airport staff. Yelling at the poor airline worker because your flight got delayed? Yeah, that's definitely gonna make the plane take off faster. Spoiler alert, it won't. 6. Cut the security line like you're royalty. Buddy, unless you're Beyonce or the president, you're waiting in line like the rest of us. TSA. Pre-check exists for a reason. Pro tip: no one likes waiting in long security lines, but cutting ahead or ignoring instructions can cause delays for everyone. If you want a faster experience, consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. 7. Let your electronics die. Your boarding pass is on your phone. Your Uber app is on your phone. Your sanity is on your phone. Charge it, or be prepared to make some new, awkward friends at the charging station. 8. Get drunk before your flight. 1 drink at the airport bar? Fine. 6 margaritas? Well, hope you enjoy sobering up mid-air while questioning all your life choices. 9. Ignore flight announcements. Your flight just switched to a Gate 3 terminals away, but you were too busy jamming to 80s hits. Now you're running a half marathon through the airport. Congrats. 10th, hold up the security line. The security line is not the place to rediscover all the junk in your pockets. Have your stuff ready, and let's keep it moving, people. Pro tip: holding up the security line by not being prepared, like leaving liquids in your bag, wearing excessive jewelry, or not removing your laptop, can slow things down. Follow the rules and have your items ready to go. 11. Assume your gate won't change. Just because you checked your gate once doesn't mean it won't change. Airports love a good plot twist. 12th, ignore baggage claim rules. If your suitcase isn't out yet, standing 2 inches from the conveyor belt won't make it appear faster. Back up and let people through. 13. Forget travel insurance and regret everything. No travel insurance? Hope you enjoy paying for a hotel room and rebooking your flight at full price. Pro tip: skipping travel insurance can be a costly mistake. If your flight is canceled, your baggage is lost, or you have a medical emergency abroad, travel insurance can save you from unexpected expenses. 14. Have no backup plan for delay. Flight canceled? No backup plan? Now you're stuck at the airport eating overpriced sandwiches and questioning your existence. Always have a plan B. Pro tip: flight delays and cancellations are common. Always have a backup plan, such as knowing alternative flights, hotel options, or how to contact your airline's customer service. 15. Sleep in front of a gate. Like it's your bedroom. This isn't a 5-star resort. You're in Terminal B, Gate 27, and yes, people do need to sit there. So, There you have it. 15 things you should never do at an airport. Avoid these, and you just might survive your next trip. Hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments, what's the worst thing you've seen someone do at an airport? Safe travels.